I can't. My window's
You guys told Fed clear.
Yes, I just called it.
Okay.
I can't impound anything.
All right, so we were doing a defense of our local Federal Reserve. Some individuals thought it'd be a good idea to rob it and get some gold bars out of it, and they ended up taking one of our armored vehicles. So right now we're trying to get that armored vehicle back.
Sounds good, I'll do that.
All right, so I'll hop in right if the other one in here hops in left once it comes to that. That way nobody gets ejected.
This guy's like moving around in Telos and my hunter. I don't know.
I think that was server lag. Did it just move? Did it just
Hemp
stop?
just killed server lag.
It's on the MSR right now.
Oh, I see it.
Let me know. I'll send the message. Have it ready. Anybody see his name?
Anyone have a name?
Alright, when you get that done, let me know.
Zeke.
Alright, come here.
It is hemp.
Zeke,
Windows
Zeke,
key on the
Zeke,
1B.
Zeke.
Hemp has it.
I'm gonna need you to shoot.
He might be returning it.
Do me a favor and hit hemp 11B with
He's
the
message. He's message.
Alright, 10.
Okay, you
Soft
ready,
loading,
brother?
So I can
8.
Last
Ready,
seven.
brother?
5.
Wait, this bitch is the wrong fucking color.
I'm in the left gunner.
Pod. Shoot.
He said, I got it back for you.
Good,
Stop,
good.
stop, stop, stop. Oh my god.
He
Sorry,
said what?
He said, I got it back for y'all, and then...
Oh, fuck.
As he was sending,
Oh,
as he was sending
aw, I feel like a murderer.
Bitch ass got
he
fucked
didn't-
with
Aw, revive
a
him.
taser, brother.
He was driving into Telos and shit.
No,
like,
that wasn't him. That was server lag.
Oh.
You know what? Just
He killed
because,
server lag.
just because I'm gonna let him go. This guy got fucked with a fucking
Yeah, Hemp's a
Nine
just
Yeah,
Brother.
let's have this guy.
Yeah, I feel
Wow.
bad. I'm a
poor
murderer.
guy.
Wait. Check his body real quick. His body might have gold bars on it. Because server lag.
Revive him, man. Revive him. I ain't gonna do shit with him.
I literally hear good kill, and then the message
Here, hold
pops
up,
up
hold
where
up.
he's like, I got it back. Oh my god.
Whoopsie.
So while we were defending our police department area, a high-value target was spotted inside this helicopter, and we tried messaging him, and he just was not responding. So I went ahead and sent him a message telling him to land or he will be shot down, and this is what happened after that. So right there on the top right, I received money because I took out the high-value target. Currently, the pilot is still up, so we're going to try to get him as well. But we want to bring that guy in because he has a larger bounty than the individual I just took out. So those shots ended up taking out his engine. So right now we're going to try to tase this individual and bring him in alive. Next up, we are doing a gold escort. So essentially we need to transport a large amount of gold to a certain location, and all the civilians are going to try to take it, or at least some of the bigger gangs will try to stop us and take all the gold bars. This is a very fun event.
Damn, why does he go for me, bro? That's crazy.
What?
Little straw.
Wait, I just hit him 8 times, I think. Actually 8.
All I know is that you
Billy,
just
come
died
at
to
me,
little straw.
man.
That's crazy. In the truck. Next 2 hours, I'm gonna be deputy chief.
Alright.
Definitely said chief deputy.
No, he
No,
definitely said deputy
during,
chief.
No, when we were talking to him, it was either before or after the test. He said that he would be the next chief deputy.
There's a big difference there.
Yeah, there's.
Oh my god. Put this sign there.
Who's this?
Dude, absolutely
Who's Ellie is it?
ripped Aries last night, though.
Is this KB's Orca?
Was anybody there for that?
Oh yeah, look at that.
Who's pushed me for back shots?
Left.
I should seize the Orca. That's another option.
Oh.
I mean, any true gangster would do that.
We're not gangsters, buddy. We're anti-gangster.
Debatable.
Speak for yourself.
Loki, we are the biggest gang on the server. It's awesome.
That's
And boom, top right, we managed to bring the gold safely to this area. We all received a large chunk of money, and yeah, it was a success, which is quite rare
If I can actually
sometimes.
just respawn, that's what.
The
Hopefully he kills
individual
me.
who tried robbing the gold escort, I believe 3 times, showed back up,
Oh, and I
and
bugged
there's
out.
going to be a
Nice.
little language
Have fun.
warning. So watch out, here comes Little Straw.
You? Wait, I'm not a cop anymore. Listen here, you fucking niggas! Oh, hell no! Look at this nigga! Look at this nigga right here! Captain Platoon Durango, fucking Down syndrome, dude! What y'all niggas doing? Where's my backup? Medic, where
Wasn't
were
it cop?
you, nigga?
Did he get kicked from?
Where
Did he
were
get kicked
you?
from cop?
What? What happened?
Staff
Nigga,
approved it too.
Backup?
He's already been disputed like 4 times for his gaining. Some
Oh, Anthony,
Alright.
oh, that's your bad, boy. Oh, that's your bad, boy.
Alright, when can we have a trial by
Yo.
combat? I want to fight some niggas, bro. Let's do something illegal.
Right here, bro. Right here.
Come on, bro.
Alright,
Let's go.
let's run it. Let's run it. I'm here.
All right,
run it back. Run it
clear
back.
the stage.
Fuck off me. Fuck off me. Get the fuck off me, boy. You're the last.
No,
He might
no,
have shot-
nigga, no,
he might
nigga,
have shot at
no.
you. He might
Oh,
have
hell
shot
no.
at you first.
No. Yeah, no,
Heal
man,
me up,
out the
medic.
way,
Heal me
nigga.
up, medic.
No,
Heal me up,
that
medic.
nigga, what?
Heal me up. Heal
No,
up the Victor.
interfering,
Victor.
interfering. Hell
That was
no.
not in the way.
Nigga,
You just don't know
there's
who the
too
hell
much
you're shooting
crap.
at.
There was two.
Maybe one day you'll be chief deputy. Today's
You
not
looked-
the day.
You looked at
Oh,
you looked
keep
at
talking
me
that
to the
shit,
right.
nigga. I'm about to smack you in your motherfucking mouth. Let's run that shit back. One more time. Medic, you
Look,
got
this,
me?
I'm gonna
You
emote on after I just beat you. Look, this is how I'm gonna emote on you. What? That's what I'm gonna
Alright,
do to
nigga,
you,
you
bro.
know what I'm finna do?
The fuck down.
Medic, heal me so I can kill this nigga, bro.
You are healed, bruh.
At ease
Not fully,
carry on.
nigga, damn.
It's not letting me. What's your health at?
You capping, nigga? 82. Yeah, heal me up. Appreciate it.
Yo, medic, can I get one of those
Fuck.
first aid kits you got? Can I get one of your first aid
Nigga,
kits?
what you do?
It's not letting me. It's not
Nigga,
letting me do it.
Do you
Do
have
your
enough kids?
job, nigga,
Sir,
damn!
I'm trying. Minimum required equipment.
I do,
Yeah, it was working until I T-posed on him. When I T-posed on him, it stopped
By
working.
who?
Oh, what the
Oh my god! What's
dude.
happening?
Alright.
Nigga, run!
Can someone give him some dip and see his reaction?
Can we buy it here? Do we have to go to gas stations?
My whole
Go to
screen
gas
was shaking.
station.
What the fuck?
That's tear gas.
Alright. Alright, let's run that shit. Ready?
Y'all are into a gas station.
Wait,
Keep
let me
me.
reload. Let me reload. Let me reload. Let me reload.
That shit's fucking crazy.
Alright.
You're hot, Lincoln.
It's gonna be the one in the middle, not on the fucking side, buddy.
I'm just gonna take this spoiler kill one.
He just shot everyone
Medics
except
walking
him.
pads.
My scroll wheel is gone, bro.
He shot me. He shot the guy next to him. Didn't even hit the right guy.
Second time in a row.
That guy give up, bro. I started shooting at his dumb ass. His big head ass, bro. What is happening?
Does anybody else want dip when I'm at the gas
I'm
station?
good. Hey, can
I'm
we
checking.
have you try something real quick? We
No,
have
I
a
didn't.
deputy
I
bringing
can't
you
get in
something.
cars or
What
anything.
up?
We can't.
What up?
We can't do another escort.
This guy in
for,
his vehicle is gonna bring you something to use. It'll help you. You'll be able to
Okay,
take
bet.
more
Okay,
shots.
bet, nigga, what's
Yeah.
up?
Gotta relog, I think.
Okay, bet.
Here he is. He's gonna give you something.
Oh, this is it?
Yep.
This it?
Right before the next one, you got to use it. Run it back with that. You'll win.
Okay, bet. This bitch right here?
He just gave you something in your inventory,
A
bud.
dip, nigga.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, throw in the chew, homie.
Nigga, oh my god!
What did it do?
Oh my god!
Hey, dude, I have another one. You wanna see it?
Yeah, can I see it?
Nigga,
Yeah,
it
you,
looks like I'm
you,
in Borderlands right now,
there.
nigga. What the fuck?
I bought two because I didn't trust you
Mando.
guys.
Gunzerker.
A cob is
Siren.
nearby. It's trying to give it to them.
Fire.
Just staring at the sky.
Nigga! Alright, trial by combat. Who wants to smoke?
Oh my.
I can't help but notice that the language being used here is very,
This guy.
Got a collateral.
He's so laggy.
This guy pulled up to HQ and he said, I can't help but notice some of the language that's being used here.
I kicked him out of the HQ.
Yes, sir!
You're asking too many questions.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
There goes my hero. Watch him as he goes. There goes my hero. Watch him as he goes. Woo! Different story. Different story where there ain't a bunch of Crips around. Nigga, Crip, nigga shit. What? GDK. GDK stands for what? What does GDK stand for? Go.
Ready?
I fixed it. I fixed it. I fixed it.
Ready?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Get him, get him, get him!
Oh my god,
You
he's
guys-
so laggy.
You guys missed an entire mag on each
He's
other.
like fucking bobbling back and forth, left and right.
Oh, you chaotic. Put him in the dirt.
You didn't lag that time.
Oh, I'm gonna go do frogs, so come there. Don't come to frog.
Alright.
Make sure you apply to medic tonight.
There goes my hero. Watch him as he goes. There goes my hero. Watch him as he goes.